Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Yeah. Is my voice audible? You guys' voice are very low. Let me check the connection. 1 second.
Warning in progress.
Okay. So is my voice audible now? Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So yes, very good evening, and yeah, you can go on with the session. So this session is going to be about the barcodes. Hope you have seen barcodes. Almost on all the products you could have seen the barcodes. It's print of black and white bars, the lines printed on the product, and UPC, Universal Product Code, SKU, which is Stock Keeping Unit, and few terms and terminologies. And if time permits, we will have a case study discussion as well. Okay. So can anyone tell me what was our last session about? What did we went through in the last session? Yes, anyone?
Basic types of inventory.
Okay, types of inventory. Yeah. Thank you.
Need and importance of
Importance, exactly. Need, importance, and scope of inventory, where and all the opportunities for inventory in an organization exist. Yes. And the roles, the role of inventory in different planning strategy, and in other operational level aspects, like how does it work. So yes, we went through that. Okay, good. So let's start. So what do you know about barcodes? Why is it used on products?
It is like a fingerprint for
Fingerprint, the company's fingerprint on its products.
Yeah.
Okay, good explanation. Thank you. Yes. Any other input?
It is mainly used for quick identifications of product.
Exactly. Product identification. Very good. Yes. Do you know, on which product, the world's first barcode were, imprinted? On which product? The world's first barcode, it was imprinted and it was, scanned, and the products information about, the rate of the product, the make of the product, name of the product, everything was, collected in the point of sale system. Have you heard about Wrigley's chewing gum? You might have, usually that was, a famous chewing gum during my school days. Boomer, Wrigley's chewing gum. So the Wrigley's company, the company which made the chewing gum, who was a manufacturer of the chewing gum, they first, introduced, affixing the barcode on their product, because the chewing gum is, very small unit, smallest, very smaller unit, to be, kept in the warehousing unit, or kept as an inventory, as a finished good inventory. So in a carton, there would be, at least, 500 to 1,000 chewing gums. So managing it, it was very difficult, and the retailer or the wholesaler, they didn't know, or the inventory people in the factory outlet, they didn't know how many chewing gums were left out after the the pack was opened. Once a pack was opened, it few were taken for sales. So the remaining ones, they couldn't know, every time they have to count it. So that was a difficulty they faced. So they thought, they will go with the barcoding system, so that the number of number of the units left back, or number of the units which has been sold, can be easily traceable and identifiable in the point of sale system. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. So you might have seen, this is the barcode. So this is how it looks. So it's a series of parallel black and white bars, and to read this barcode, you need a barcode scanner. Usually we call it as RFID scanner. Usually you should have seen in departmental stores, whenever you check out with the things what you have purchased, when the billing point, that is a point of sale. So there you would have seen the representative or the salesperson scanning each and every product with the scanner, RFID scanner. So when the barcode is scanned with this RFID scanner, all the information about that particular product, it will be automatically displayed on the point of sale system, that is the computer system. So it says the name of the product, description of the product, number of unit, price of the product, and sometimes even the company which has manufactured it, and maximum details would be collected about the product. And it be it would be easy for the salesperson to to make the list out the products, and its actual prices, whatever you have purchased, so that easily the billing can happen, and the long queue can be avoided. Imagine these many products, if it is not done manually, the calculation is done manually, it's very difficult. There would be a lot of crowd in the queuing system. It's very difficult to manage in any supermarket or any point of sale system. So barcode helps in avoiding crowd. So easily the billing can be calculated, easily the price can be calculated, and immediately the sale can be done. So it typically consists of 5 parts: a quiet zone, start character, data characters, a stop character, and another quiet zone. So this is not required. This is just an a simple explanation what is a barcode is all about. So here we go. So how does it work? So it is a way to encode information into a visual pattern. That is, whenever the barcode is being scanned, the visual pattern of the barcode, it is scanned by that RFID scanner, and those information is what do you say, converted into machine readable language. Just like when we are typing the program, the system understands, no, the commands, whatever we give in, the system, the computer system understands and know, like in the language what it knows. So the binary system, no, like so in the same way, the visual pattern is understandable by the RFID scanner. So this scanner translate the entire information into the machine readable format and now transfers it to the point of sale system. So immediately, the point of sale system, interprets the information and displays all the information, how it has to be represented. And now we have like two types of barcodes are available. The first part being the 1D barcode, that is one dimensional, the usual barcode which we all know like normally see. Now the QR code is considered as the 2D barcodes, that is the second dimensional barcodes. So these are the new outcomes. And these with the 1D barcode, it can be scanned with any RFID scanner, and even a simple point of sale system with a a normal scanning software or the scanning reader software can be installed at a cheaper price, and the barcode information can be interpreted. But for scanning QR code, that is two-dimensional barcode, you need a special kind of software, point of sale software, which has to be downloaded in the system. So one of the name of the software is Lightspeed Retail POS, but there are many softwares available in the market. One among them is Lightspeed Retail. And this QR code barcode, it gives lot of information, more information than the single dimensional, that is linear barcode. So sometimes this QR code barcode, it even displays the image of the product, and it can tell the remaining inventory about the product, what are the product which is being sold right now. So what is, what do you say, is that the ninth product or the 10th product from the whole lot? So even that information can be displayed in the point of sale system. So the retailer or the wholesaler or the inventory manager very well understand, okay, now the ninth product is out of the inventory, out of the out for sale. So we have remaining, say if out of 100 we have remaining 91 units of bicycles, or 91 units of the goods available in the inventory. So it's a very easy system of track the inventory, tracking the inventory in anywhere, whether it is a supermarket or whether it is a retail outlet, or is a like a hypermarket, or is just a storage unit in a small business center, in a manufacturing system. So that doesn't matter. So it easily tracks the inventory, gives the live record of the available inventory in hand, and number of units or goods which has been sold out. So everything all in all about the inventory, it gives all the information about the inventory, it gives in hand. That is the real time information it gives in hand. Clear? So what are the benefits of using barcodes? So improved accuracy. So when manually done, there are there's a chance of lot of mistakes being happening. But since we are using completely machinized, so it improves the accuracy. The real-time data, as I said, presently what is available in the storage unit, or how many units have been sold as of now, that real-time data can be easily made available. Reduced training requirements. You don't have to have a special kind of training on how to use a barcode, or how to scan the barcode, how to use the RFID scanner. You don't have to have a special kind of training to use that. So all you have to do is click on scan it, and switch it off. So it's not prior training is required. Better inventory management. So in all the way, for retailers as well as for wholesalers, and it gets real-time data, and faster cycle count. Cycle count is something, the time taken between the start and end time of a task. The start and end time of the task is the cycle time. So that becomes even faster with the help of the barcode and the RFID scanner. Low cost of implementation. Of course, no, there is not much cost, no, which is being involved in the barcode scanning. The only thing the retailers or the wholesalers or whoever, no, like who or the inventory people who have to know, like who are no like planning to make use of the barcode and then a scanning system. The only thing is if they are going to use the 2D, two-dimension, that is the QR coding system. So they should know like install the special kind of software which can scan the QR data. So otherwise other normal interpretation data or interpretation software, so that is not going to work. That is the only thing. And that that particular software is little costlier than the other software which normally scans the one-dimensional or linear barcodes. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is just a description about like how it works. So what are the components of the RFID scanner? RFID refers to radio frequency identification device. RFID, radio frequency identification device. So completely captures the barcode and decodes the information and transfers that data to the near of the point of sale system. That point of sale system software, which is already installed there, interprets the data, understands what the signal has been sent, and displays the information in the man-readable format. So the barcode, the scanning sends the information in the machine-readable format. The machine interprets it and gives back the information in the man-readable format. So this is how it happens. So these are the components. The light source, the red color light. There is a lens. A photoconductor is there to capture it, and a decoder kind of software. It's there. So this is all about barcode and the RFID scan. Now we are coming to UPC, Universal Product Code. So in this picture, you can see this is the barcode. So what is displayed here, the white and black bars, this is the barcode, and the numbers printed below the barcode is the UPC code. That is the Universal Product Code. Clear? So don't confuse, don't get confused. The bars is the barcode and the numbers printed here below the barcode is the Universal Product Code. So it's a type of code printed on retail product to identify a particular item. Not only the particular item, to identify to which company it belongs to. Which company has made this product, and what is the make of the product, and when it has been manufactured, what is the expiry date of the product, and how many units of this particular batch is being manufactured. Yes, of course, it gives all the information, the UPC code. So the complete information about the company and its related product is being displayed with the help of UPC code. That is a Universal Product Code. So mostly it's a fixed digit numbers, 12 digits, but now though recently they have come with 14 digits UPC as well, very recently. But usually it's a 12 digit number. The first 6 digit number refers the company code. For example, we have many companies like Nestle. Nestle will be having the first 6 numbers will be different for Nestle company. It will be different for Procter and Gamble. It will be different for the Cadbury company. So for each and every company, the first 6 numbers, that is the company prefix, will be completely different. The next 5 numbers, and this is out of 12 numbers. Okay, so the next 5 numbers, that would be the product code of the company. For example, this product code will be for example, if Nestle is having 10 different products, so the first 6 digits will be the same for all the 10 products, but the remaining 5 digits and the last digit, which is called as the check digit, that will be different for all the 10 products. Am I clear? Is it clear or is it confusing?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Okay. So the company prefix code, no, that doesn't change. If the products is from the same company, the first 6 digits, which is the company prefix code, that doesn't change. That will remain the same. Whereas the remaining 5 digits plus 1 digit, that is the 12th digit, which is called as the check digit, that will change according to the type of the product. For example, if Nestle is having a food health drink, so health drink will be having different product code. There is a last 5 digits plus the check digit. So another is like a chewy. Sorry, yes.
What our item reference number? Will it change
That
or
is
not?
that will change according to the product.
Okay.
That will change according to the product. Okay, but the first 6 digit, that is not going to change if the product is from the same company, because the first 6 digit it represents the company code. Clear?
Yes.
Oh, fine. So this is the parts of the UPC. Here you can see from 0 to 5. Oh my god, where is my cursor? Okay, fine. 0 to 5, the first 6 digit, it represents the company prefix. And the next 5 digit, it represents the item number, that is the product number. And the last digit, 12th digit, it represents the check digit. So check digit is calculated by some kind of modulus calculation. Modulus calculation is a mix up of calculation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So a mix up of calculation. That is it is done in a sequential way. So the first 6 digits plus the 5 digits. So all these numbers are calculated with the calculated using the modulus calculation. So finally, the digit, whatever the single digit, whatever the calculation gives, that is not taken as the check digit of that particular UPC code. So the check digit also differs for each of the product of the same company. Is that clear? It's confusing.
Ma'am, what is GS1?
Sorry?
GS1 Global Standards.
Okay. I'll come to that. Sure. So for example, if you're now having a own company, so and for your products, you need to have a UPC code. You're planning to have a universal product code for your company. How you can get it? You can apply to GS1. That is Global Standards Organization. Their headquarters is in USA, but they do have branch offices in almost all the major cities. Even in Kochi, we have in Kalurla, we have GS1 office. So for example, if I'm planning to have a UPC code for my company, universal product code for my company, so I can now apply to GS1 in Kalur, and I can now get the product code. That is the first 6 digits will be allotted by GS1 to my company. The remaining 5 digits, I can give it to them. So it depends on the manufacturer. It depends on the maker of the product. The second 5 digits. The second 5 digits, which is the item number. Okay, so that can be chosen by me. So after I have given the application with the item number for all of my products, different item numbers for different products. Okay, whatever product I'm planning to have the UPC number. So in the application, I'll be mentioning all the item reference number. That is a 5-digit number, and I'll be submitting the application. So after receiving the application, the universal product code they will be providing. So the first product, for example, if I am I'm having I'm a manufacturer of 5 different t-shirts. Okay, 5 different t-shirts, one with a collar, all white t-shirts, one with a collar, one without collar, and one with a full hand, one without, there is like a quarter sleeves, and one with a pocket. So these are the 5 types of white shirts I am like manufacturing. So I'm now like planning to export my product. So in that case, for one white sheet t-shirt with collar, I will have a different item number. Without collar, different item number. With sleeve, without sleeve, with pocket, without pocket, different item numbers. So I'm submitting, no info, giving all this information. I'm submitting this to GS1 Council, and they will be, like giving a UPC code for all of my 6 products, all of my company's 6 products. Here you can see the product code, UPC code of my white t-shirt with collar would be, the first 6 digit would be the same, that is the company code, but the remaining 5 digit and the last check digit, that would be the thing what I have given. That is the 5 digit would be the number what I have given. The last digit would be the modulus calculated number. That is a system calculated number. So this is how you will get the UPC code. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so this is this is what I have explained as of now, how it is being done, how it is being added, and as I said, the first 6 digit that that with that is given by the GS1 Council. So we don't have like any authorization to change the first digit of our UPC code. Even if it is like our company's UPC code, we don't have any rights to change the first 6 digit. So it is completely under the control of the GS1 Council. The second 5 digits, the next 5 digits, that is our choice. That is the maker's choice, the product manufacturer's choice. So after giving the code, after like getting the UPC code for all the products, after some time, if the manufacturer want to change the item number for his products, that is the next 5 digits, he wants to change, do some editing to that those 5 digits for his products, again he has to apply to the GS1 Council. So that is very difficult to change easily. GS1 Council doesn't agree to these things. But in case of merger of 2 companies, or acquisition of 2 or 3 companies, in those cases, GS1 Council may take it into consideration. Clear? Clear or no? See, only if it is clear, I can go to the next slide, because
Yes.
because again we will be seeing about SKU, stock keeping unit, which is like something different. Okay, so what is barcode? Barcode is just the parallel lines, black and white lines. So this is used for item description, and barcodes can be scanned only with the help of RFID scanner, or like an appropriate scanner, and the information regarding the product, so it gets interpreted by the scanner and it is sent to the nearby point of sale system. So the system understands the language whatever the scanner has sent in, and interprets the language, and displays the information in the man readable language. So this is barcode and RFID scanner. So UPC is universal product code. Why I'm getting parcel? So universal product code. Okay. So if I want my product to be what do you say, to be unique, in the global market. In the global market, I want my product code to be very unique. I need a special code for the products, what I'm producing in the global market, or in the e-commerce business, or when I am like exporting the product to like nearby country or whatever it is. So in those cases, I need UPC. In those cases, definitely I need UPC because I have to mention these codes, UPC code in all the documentation related to global trade and whatever trade I'm doing with the market outside my country. That is very much required. So it's mandatory for me to get a UPC code if I am planning to expand my business out of the borders, or if I am planning to do business online. I need a UPC code. That is mandatory. Okay. So these are the advantages of UPC. Both for business and consumers, it's good. And since UPCs help barcode scanners identify a product, UPCs help improve checkout speed. Checkout speed, it will come. So how, when you scan the barcode, when the barcode is scanned along with the UPC code, immediately the company description is displayed. The company which has produced the product, so that is being displayed, and they effectively remove the need to manually input. Obviously manual input is not needed, and improves inventory tracking and management. And if there is an issue with the product, UPC also help merchants find the customers that purchased a product, contact them and issue a recall. That is, if the company feels that a defective product or a wrong product has been sent or sold to the customer, with the help of the UPC code, that particular product can be recalled from the company's side, and it can be the SKU. So both SKUs and UPCs are advantages for retailers. So SKUs for customizability and UPCs for universality. And many businesses use a mix of UPC and SKU. So first we will get to know what SKU is. So you know what SKU is? Stock keeping unit. Have you heard about it? Anyone is working in any retail market, supermarket, hypermarket, or in any inventory unit, storage unit? No one? No one. Okay. Okay. So SKUs are mostly used only by the retailers. For maintaining SKU, you don't have to apply for to anyone to have an SKU code for the products in your inventory. So you can decide how you can code your inventory, what kind of code, what kind of stock keeping code you can give to your inventory. Completely depends upon you. You can even have your name in that code, so no one is going to question you at all. So SKU, stock keeping unit, is completely it's a retailer's choice, not the market's choice, or not the global market or whatever. Yes. Someone was asked something, I think. Okay, fine. So if you notice this picture, you can see this white and black lines are the barcode. The numbers printed below are the UPC code, and the information printed above the barcode is the SKU code. Can you see? Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, this explains all, no? This explains that all three are completely different. So this is the barcode, and printer, the numbers printed below the barcode or the UPC code. That is, the first 6 digit of the UPC code is the company prefix. The next 5 digit is the product of the company, and the last digit, 12th digit, is the check digit, which is now calculated by a modulus calculation. And the numbers and the combination of alphabets and numbers that constitutes the SKU code. Again, it's completely retailer's choice. Okay, so however, no, the retailer want to maintain the SKU code, have to have the SKU code, he or she can no go with, no problem at all. Okay. Now we are going to find why we need an SKU code. So it identifies the specific product, tracks inventory to know how many of a specific product is available, helps reconcile stock levels of product, identifies shrinkage in inventory, determines which products are most profitable, helps identify reorder points, and helps customers save time by enabling them to find products quickly. Okay, so imagine you're having a small, small shop. Let it be, we can see, like stock keeping units. We can always see stock keeping units. Like in small textile shops, textile showrooms, small textile shops. Of course, in big shops as well. What I have noticed, how they maintained SKUs in small shops. Okay, so there will be a carton. One carton will be full of same type of product. As I said, white T-shirt with collar. One complete carton. There will be 10 pieces. So another carton, white T-shirt without collar. Another 10 pieces. Okay, so in that way, the brand will be the same. That is, the product will be maybe from the same company. Okay, it will maybe from the same company, but depending upon the size, color, texture, make of the product, or when it has been manufactured, or when it has come into the inventory system or into the storage unit. So depending on these things, it would be stored in different cartons or different storage boxes. Okay, so on top of the storage boxes, the retailer will have the SKU codes. So SKU code can be, for example, if I want to maintain an SKU code for I am having 6 different cartons, white shirt with collar, white shirt without collar, white shirt with a full sleeve, white shirt without full sleeve, white shirt with pocket, white shirt without pocket. So 6 different products. Okay, so each 10 units in each carton. So this is the stock I'm having it in my stock keeping unit. I mean, in my storage unit. Okay, so if I want to know give an SKU for these things. So for example, a customer is coming and asking me, can you get me a white shirt with collar but half sleeve. So it should be with collar, but it should be half sleeve. So I shouldn't be go and checking on opening up the carton, checking out each carton, where I would get in which carton I'll be getting the white T-shirt with collar and without sleeve. So I shouldn't be go and checking. No, it's completely waste of time. Instead, I can have an SKU code maybe I can start with my name, LAV. LAV will be the start of the SKU code. So it's completely retailer's choice. LAV hyphen white T-shirt, right? WHI hyphen. So it's a T-shirt. So TS hyphen. So one is with collar. So WC. And the next SKU code is without collar. So VTC, WTC. With collar, WC. Without collar, WTC. So in this way, for each and every carton, I can now maintain different SKUs. Is it clear?
Yes.
So when a customer is now asking for one particular type of a product or size of a product or color of the product, I don't have to keep on checking on opening up each and every carton and checking for that particular product. Instead, I can just see the SKU pattern. Okay, this carton contains those all the T-shirts which is having white T-shirt with collar without full sleeve. So immediately I can open that carton, open the storage box. I can take out the product. And if if I am if I want more detail, even for those T-shirts also I can have the SKU numbers. So I have given, right, that LAV, white t-shirt, WHI, and TS for t-shirt. And next is with collar, WC with collar. So the first t-shirt goes like WC1, second t-shirt WC2, third t-shirt WC3. So like I'm taking one by one. Okay, so after some point of time I'm checking one carton and it shows or everything WC8. so it means only 3 t-shirts are available in that carton. So it's time for me to reorder, replenish the stock, because only 3, 8, 9 and 10, only 3 units are left in that carton. So easily, for me, it's easy. Like I don't have to count, open the box, and I don't have to take the products and count how many is left. So just by seeing the SKU code, I understand. So now this product is WC with collar H, number 8. So only 8, 9, 10 that is available in the carton. So it's time for me to reorder, replenish. So this is how the SKU codes help the retailers. Now you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Oh,
Yes.
fine. Good. So as I said, this is how SKU can be constructed. So it's a blue t-shirt, medium sized, and this is a manufactured code. So BLU, that is a blue color. TEE, it's a type, that is a t-shirt. Medium size, MED hyphen manufacturer code CF26. So maybe it may start from the carton would be CF. The carton would be named as CF. So within the carton, t-shirt number 1 would be CF1, CF2, CF3. So in that way, there may be 50 t-shirts. So it goes till CF50. So this is how the SKU is constructed. But again, this is completely on the choice of retailer. So however he or she wants to maintain the SKU code, they can go with. They cannot just go with only the numbers, or they can go only with the alphabets, or they can go with a combination of both the characters. They can use even special symbols as well if they want to. So it's completely retailer's choice. Clear? Okay, now we are coming to know the main difference between UPC and SKU. So UPC, as we know, Universal Product Code. So to identify the product and the maker of the product, UPC is to identify the product and who is the maker of the product wherever it is sold. Wherever it is sold in the world, even if it is sold in the online, so you can easily identify the product. Okay. Whereas SKU is an internal product inventory code. Okay, so it doesn't give more information to the customer. So if I am checking on into a store, a textile retail showroom, and I'm seeing a stock keeping unit, so I don't get anything from it. Okay, so what I'm going to get? Nothing. So it doesn't help me anything. But with the help of UPC, like other business people can easily identify, yes, this is this first 6 digit, that belongs to this particular company. So these people are dealing with this particular company's products. That is easily identifiable. The UPC symbol is a barcode label or barcoding on the back of the product, and SKU is typically found on stores' unique shelf pricing. And UPC consistent along across all the retailers. The UPC doesn't going to change at all. So no one has any authorization to change. So even the company who owns that UPC wants to make any change in their UPC code, again they have to contact GS1 Council, because like changing UPC, without informing GS1, it's completely it's a criminal offense, in the trade market. So that cannot be done. Whereas SKU is unique for each retailer. So UPC is like numerics only. There is no alphabets or any special characters included. But SKU alphanumeric can be included. And UPC is always mostly 12 digits. But recently I heard that they've come up with 14-digit UPC as well. And SKU, again, retailer's choice. It can vary in length according to the number of products the retailer is holding. So if you were UPC, if you were to know, like looking up a product online, using the products UPC will help you to find it across numerous retailers. Even you can type the UPC product, UPC code online, and you can check for the number of retailers who is selling the product. You don't have to type the company name. You don't have to type the what type of product, whether it is blue color or it's a t-shirt or it's a shirt. So you don't have to go with all these details. If you have the UPC code of the product or UPC code of the company, that is well and enough. Okay, type the UPC code, you will get the description of the product, company which sells it, and who are the retailers, like who is selling the product. Whereas SKU would only find the product under the business using specific SKU. That is, the same SKU pattern can be copied or it can be not exactly, I cannot say copied, but even the retailer who is having is a retailing unit next to your shop, you can share the idea of your SKU, and that person also can maintain the same kind of SKU. That is not going to make any changes, because the product may be different, or even if it is going to the same product, the shop is different. That shop is different. This shop is different. So it's not going to make any much changes. So UPCs can be valuable for suppliers and manufacturers to track inventory, and SKU valuable for merchants, that is the retailers or the wholesalers, to track and manage their inventory. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Can we
ma'am.
discuss this case study? Yes, we have 10, 12 minutes more. We can easily this. Okay. So consider yourself as a business person, as a manufacturer or a producer. So whether should you use SKU or UPC for your product? So SKUs are best for direct to customer retailers. That is, from the retailers to the consumer directly. Okay, so there is no parties in between. In between the retailer and consumer, retailer and the customer, there is no party in between. The consumer directly comes to the retailer and buys the product. So in those cases, SKUs can prevent customers from shopping from the competitors. So that can be avoided. And if you're the sole retailer and owner of your product, if you're the sole retailer, your inventory is only for internal use within your company. You need a company within yourself. Okay, so if it's for internal use, UPC may be unnecessary. Is that right? Right? Correct. So we don't have to use UPC. So I'm getting the product from the local market, keeping it in my showroom, selling the product directly to the consumer. So why I should need a UPC? There is there is no necessary at all to have a UPC. Clear? So is it clear? Or should I have a UPC? What's your idea? Should I have a UPC or no, it's not necessary? I'm the own manufacturer. Okay, I'm manufacturing the product. I'm selling the product in the nearby market or local market directly to the consumer. So should I need a UPC? Not necessary, right? Because my product is not going to be viewed by universal customer. So UPC is not necessary. And in that way, we can avoid the expense of licensing the UPC. Okay, that cost can be avoided. Okay, now somebody has not muted. Okay, one second. Okay, good. Okay, so the final point is, so use SKU if you sell products directly to the customer. You're the sole retailer of your items. Your inventory is for internal use only and not for sale. For example, within internal use. So after manufacturing, after producing, you're giving it, or you're transferring the product to the other production unit, not to the customer. In that case also, if it is to the other production unit also, you can use SKU. That is no inventory, warehousing, no, which stores the raw materials or semi-finished goods, no. So they can maintain SKUs. You sell different types of products or tons of single type of product. So in these cases, SKUs can be used. UPC is not necessary. Whereas UPC, on the other hand, practically mandatory for wholesalers. So this is best for barcode scanning. And other than that, no, like e-commerce businesses, no, like it definitely needs UPC. Whenever your product is crossing the border, going out of the border, even online can be considered crossing the borders only. Okay, so because it is viewed by global customers, this can be whatever product you're selling online, that can be viewed by global customers. So in that case, UPC is necessary. This is mandatory. So you can use UPC if you sell products to other retailers. That is, you're selling your products not directly to the customers, but to other retailers. You sell products in online marketplaces. You sell your products internationally, and you want to protect your intellectual property. Okay, so in these cases, you need UPC. UPC, as well as if your company is having its own storage unit, that is own inventory unit, own warehouse, where your products are being kept for storage purposes. In that case, a combination of UPC plus SKU code, so that will help to track the inventory in a very better way. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So any doubts as of now? So we have seen three important terms in inventory management. The first one is barcode and scanning. The second one is UPC, universal product code, and the third one is SKU, stock keeping unit. Any doubts? No doubts, right?
Ma'am, on next session, which topic you will conduct?
We can mostly we have covered in inventory. So related to this, we have logistics and SCM, supply chain management, and yes, we can go with that. This is more related with each other. The inventory plus warehousing plus supply chain management and logistics. So all four, they are interconnected with each other. So another for 2 sessions, we will have a complete overall view about logistics and supply chain management. Few concepts are same in inventory and no, not in inventory, sorry, or same in green logistics or green supply chain, sustainable logistics, both are the same term. So other than that, we have few logistic strategies, terms, types of logistics, as I said, and we have supply chain concepts. Few calculations are there, and those calculations, it's applicable both for inventory as well as for production. For production as well as for supply chain concept, like economic order quantity, stock, turnover ratio. So these are common for all the 4 topics, 4 subjects. Okay, because all 4 are interconnected. So next 2 topics would be completely about logistics and supply chain. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the last slide I'm having. So this is just a like what do you say, an eye opener, like before we are like moving into the next topic by next week. So just have a like anyhow the PPT would be shared to you. So just have a like an overall idea about these terms and terminologies. What is inventory turnover? What is cycle time, reorder level, holding cost, carrying cost, lead time, market time. So you may confuse between cycle time and lead time. So most of the cases, cycle time and lead time may seem to be one and the same, but that is not the case. Cycle time is different. Lead time, market time is different. Cycle time is something, the time taken between the start and end of a task, one particular task. It may be a production, or it may be like transportation of like one place to another place, whatever the task. Whereas the lead time or market time is something like where a demand has been placed and then the order has been supplied. That is the time taken between order and fulfillment. Okay, so this is a supply chain concept. This is lead time, market time is supply chain concept, whereas the cycle time is like mostly refers to the production concept. So these are the few like differences. So just like go through it once the PPT has been shared. So we will discuss about these terms in detail in our next session. Okay, see you then and have a great weekend. Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.